Hey everyone, Theo Veenstra with letsbuycostarica.com. Yes, we're back here again overlooking the Gulf of Papagayo and of course the bay at Playas del Coco. I want to talk today about purchasing a business. Should I, shouldn't I? What are the pitfalls? When you're purchasing a business, you really want to use a professional realtor and the right lawyer. The realtor will guide you to the right lawyer. Here's why. Like any other thing in law, there's so much to know and be educated about. When it comes to purchasing a business here, a lot of it comes down to the permits. Of course, you want the right location, you want the right business plan, and then you found an existing business to purchase. Now we have to talk about permits. Not all permits are transferable. The devil is in the details, as they say, and there are lots of details. I've run into this myself with clients, and of course I have purchased and sold a business here myself also. And it's really interesting when you get into it. Permits, which we call patentes, are regulated by the municipality. They're not exactly black and white when it comes to the rules. The head inspector at each municipality has the final say on what's exactly black and white. So that's a little bit different than what you might be used to in whatever country you're from, North America, Europe, wherever. And that's just how it is here. Doesn't mean you can't purchase a business. Of course you can. You need some guidance and you need to know what questions to ask. Anyway, Theo Veenstra, letsbuycostarica.com, Trust Amigos Realty Group, saying Pura Vida.